I don't know if y'all can hear this or not, but this is the wind on a Sunday morning up on this hill, they call a mountain, in West Jefferson, North Carolina. I'm gonna hold this phone so you can actually see, hopefully. Temperature wise itself, it's not freezing out here, but this wind is definitely freezing. And it keeps coming, and it keeps coming, and it keeps coming. It's like a train. I just wanted y'all to get a listen to this. I'm gonna be quiet for a minute. I don't know if you guys can hear all that, but you'll hear that. Yeah. All I can say is welcome home, y'all. And that's constant. There's no break from it. What you just heard, and I don't know if you guys could see it, but what you just heard, that's what there is. It is constantly like this. There is no break from it. Why am I standing out here? Because the house is small and I can't stand to be cooped. So, my hands are like ice at the moment, and I'm gonna do the smart thing and take y'all inside. But I just wanted to give y'all just a taste of what mornings here. Oh God, here we go again. Maybe this one won't be that bad. I just wanted to give y'all a taste of what mornings here were actually like. And if y'all love me, send me hot chocolate, coffee, and gloves. I love y'all. Thanks. We'll talk to you later. We're about to go inside where hopefully it's a little bit warmer. If the wind doesn't blow me away. Anyway, the wind actually has the door, so y'all gotta give me a second. I gotta... Okay. Alright, so anyway, I love y'all. And we'll talk later.
Creative tools. Lift. Camera shoot. Your lift. Keep going. Beaver quick from L shot. Profile picture. We're still spreading. Finish. Button.